Aw, hell yeah.
While I'm sitting here just playing with Snapchat filters.
Well, it's recording now. Finally.
Okay.
20 minutes later.
Okay.
Your one shot, take it.
You only got one shot. Do not miss your chance to Sorry, we copyright.
Copyright.
Queens.
Okay.
15 seconds is fine.
No, it's not.
It's always fine.
Okay.
Everything's fine. Don't worry about it.
So, this is great. Everything's fine.
Everything's fine. Don't worry about it.
Hello. We are disasters of human beings.
You literally just messed up our intro. Has it been that
This
long?
is why I can't do it.
I'm Haley.
And I'm Chelsea.
And we're disasters of human beings.
See, I can do it. I don't do it.
I'm such a disaster that I can't even see.
And I'm right there with you. So, you're probably wondering, why are they blindfolded? It's not for, you know...
We are getting kidnapped, but that's nothing to do with this video.
Yeah, a little. So my husband got real tired of us filming, and this is...
Now he's going to kill us. But before that, he's going to feed us things, and we have to guess what they are. Because he's a sadistic man.
So, it's been a while. So we thought, hey, what's more fun than making videos? Making videos about eating.
Food is what's more fun.
So we are going to do a Doritos taste test challenge. And my lovely partner in crime, Dustin, is going to help out. There are 6 different flavors. And he's going to read them off. Maybe.
What
Read them
How
off.
do you get to know?
They need to know.
They don't need to know.
Can I know? Take a little whisper.
Okay. This is not the order that he's going to put them in, so we can't cheat. Okay, go ahead.
You're just showing them to the camera?
A little bit.
Dustin,
You never know.
we have to guess what flavor, so we have to know what they're called.
Okay. The first flavor is Doritos Jacked Ranch Dipped Hot Wings. The second flavor, Doritos Spicy Sweet Chili. The third flavor, Simply Organic Doritos White Cheddar Tortilla Chips. The fourth flavor is Doritos Cool Ranch.
Classic.
The fifth flavor, Doritos Spicy Nacho. And the sixth flavor is Doritos Flamin' Hot Nacho. That's not the order we're going to do them in, but...
Because that would be cheating, and I forgot what their names were anyway.
Indeed.
Alright, so what we're going to do is he's going to feed us somehow.
No, he's gonna put a plate in front of us and we have to figure it out.
Try and figure it out. And we're gonna try and guess the flavor. He's not gonna tell us if we're right yet.
How are you keeping track?
Yeah,
Are you gonna,
Dustin,
write
do you
it down
have a
or
piece
something?
of paper?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good.
Okay.
Then
I'm most likely gonna get all of them wrong.
I'm gonna get like at least 2 right. I don't know.
I
what
don't
that
have.
is for.
Remember, low expectations. Then it's only up from here,
Or it's only down.
or even worse somehow. I somehow get more than that wrong.
So, are you ready to put them in front of us?
Nope.
Okay. So he's gonna put them in front of us. We're gonna guess the flavors.
You
And
get
then,
to hear some good chewing sounds.
nom nom ASMR. Did I say that right? ASMR? Or is it AMSR?
ASMR.
That's what it is.
I don't,
Did
I don't
say it
remember what
wrong?
it means.
I feel like I keep saying it wrong.
It's some really strange thing that has nothing to do with what it actually is.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Okay. All right. And my blindfold keeps going up, so I have my eyes closed underneath as well.
That's
so.
because you have no talent in blindfold tying, unlike me.
It's more like I have giant Dumbo ears, and it doesn't.
I have a giant head.
So we have a lot of then once we get through all 6, then Dustin's gonna let us know what flavors, like if we got them right or not. And then at the end, we'll kind of vote to see which ones are our favorites and which ones are not. So it will be 1 through 6, and 1 being the worst, 6 being the best.
1 being Haley's score, 6 being Chelsea's score.
Because I'm obviously the best.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, Dustin, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So go ahead and slide them on over to us. I got some water right here. Perfect. That's a mouse. That's not helpful. I'm not going to eat that. That's Haley's hand.
Sorry, I just got mistaken. It was a chip.
It's not tasty.
It's salty, though.
Yeah. Dustin, that's still a mouse. Oh, there it is.
Jesus Christ.
Okay. Okay. First, we gotta smell.
Where is it, though? Oh.
There's yours.
Okay.
There's yours. Okay. So we'll smell. I feel like
Smells
I know this
very
one.
Dorito-ish.
I feel like I already know this one though, because
You getting some like flashbacks?
yeah, like straight up Vietnam status flashback.
Okay. Fun fact, I don't know if I've mentioned this before. I'm pretty sure I have, but I can barely smell.
That's true. That's true. I totally forgot about that.
So I'm going to try one because
Okay.
my sense of taste is a lot better than my sense of smell. Crunch.
Oh my gosh, it's so good.
Tastes like home. I know exactly which one this is.
Yeah. Me too.
And people will not understand it but once I say what I say it is.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Sorry, I kept eating.
Wait, is there more? I only have one.
Hey, well, I broke mine apart. You want some? That was the weirdest thing I've ever felt in my life.
Inside my mouth?
Yep. Not my favorite. I found a napkin though, so there's that.
Tap my face too. Thanks. Thanks, Daddy. Anyways,
Okay. So,
you ready to guess?
yeah. So, 1, 2, 3.
Sex chips.
Or
Which
it's
is
a
a-
sweet, spicy chili. Because
That's it.
we'll give you guys the story, the rundown. Maybe.
Probably never. But that's what we call them.
We've called them that since what? Junior year?
Senior year of high school.
Junior year.
'Cause that's when we used to go to the store all the time and buy random chips.
Okay, I gotta find my water now. This is oh, there it is.
I'm really talented with my eyes closed.
All right.
I say that and then immediately I set my water bottle on top of my phone. Immediately.
Why do you have your phone at the dinner table?
Because I do what I want, Dad.
It's not a phase, Dad. Oh, Dustin, are you ready for us again?
I'm hungry.
I am so ready for the second chip. Guys, I love Doritos. Like, it seems like no matter what flavor, I will eat them.
I mean, like, if you put a Dorito in front of me, I'm going to eat it. Will I buy it myself? Maybe not, unless it's like a certain flavor, but like, if you put one in front of me, I will chow down.
Yeah.
Like, no questions asked.
I'm kind of that way with food in general, though.
Yeah,
like, you
kinda.
could probably put.
Except
like,
if it's pickles, but we all already know that.
I love pickles.
Oh.
I hate
Alright.
bread and butter or sweet pickles, though. Those are both gross.
You ready?
Servant! Oh, there it is. Thank you. Alright, let's give it a little.
Smells like bowl.
It smells like the sweet, spicy chili still, so.
Alright, I'm giving a tasty taste. Wow. I know what this is.
Me too. This is my favorite one.
I used to like this one.
Alright. Pushing them back to Dustin. Alright. You need a wipe on your face?
Dirty.
Alright, so.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Cool Ranch.
Yes.
Like,
it's gonna get harder though. I feel it.
well, those are the two I've had.
I know. I don't think I've had any of the other ones.
So I'm doing better than I thought I would already, because those two were obvious. So
Yeah. I'm
So-
ready for this third one though.
I'm more of a regular like nacho Dorito kind of girl,
I love Cool Ranch.
or sex chip kind of girl.
Yeah, see, if I eat too many sex chips though, like my stomach hurts.
Well, it's because it's
so
spicy.
bad.
They're less spicy than I remember them being, though. Maybe that's just the blindfold. Maybe I just think of them as more spicy. Like the fact that it's like blindfolded. Oh, is there food? Food?
No, I just put my water down.
Oh, I got really excited. I thought there was food.
Dustin's probably.
I just
like,
realized. Oh
I
god,
don't
there is
ever
food.
Okay, give it a little.
I need
sniffy.
I need some water flows.
Wow, that smells like bull. You're right. Okay. Okay. give it
No,
a
I'm
little-
getting a different smell here. But I'm not going to tell you what it is. Because I want to win, even though we have no prize.
I think I know what this one is. Yeah, I think I know what this one is.
I think
Yeah.
Wait. What was the... I'm trying to remember what the name was of it, because I haven't had any of the other ones. Because I think I know what this one is. But I can't remember what the name is.
Just,
Guess what it tastes like?
yeah.
Okay. Alright, I'm ready
Okay.
then.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Taco.
White cheddar.
Taco. It's spicy.
Tastes like cheddar. White
It's
cheddar. to me.
spicy.
Did we get different chips? Did you give us different chips? Dustin.
It's spicy.
Did you die?
Rip, Dustin.
Okay, I wasn't ready for that.
I was.
See, I think now it's getting this spicy.
But you already guessed.
Yep. So it was probably very wrong. But like it kind of smelled like that feet type thing, like the way white cheddar smells.
I think you're just smelling your own hands.
It smells like spicy. This is really fun because I still have the holes from getting my wisdom teeth out.
Oh yeah, Chelsea got her wisdom teeth taken out. I don't know if we've mentioned that.
Nope.
And I got my wisdom teeth taken out. Since, like, forever ago, though.
Mm-hmm. I was gonna say
Mine was in, like, January. Yours was, like...
last week. My oral surgeon, if they come across this, they're gonna be like, "What are you doing? Why are you eating chips?"
Don't worry about it. Everything's fine.
Dustin.
It's my phone.
Oh shit!
Oh, food.
Oh, are you throwing them at us?
I sure hope so.
Do you have yours?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
You just stabbed me in the face with your nail.
I'm so sorry. Okay. I can't tell from smell anymore.
I have to find the chip in the bowl. Hold on.
I wasn't ready for that.
I think I know what this one is. Good. That good.
I think I know. But I'm gonna finish the chip.
I need some water though.
I need.
It is pretty spicy, but it tastes really good. And it tastes exactly like what I picture it.
Ow. Okay. I think I figured it out.
All right, you ready?
Yes.
Ready?
Yep. 1, 2, 3. Ranch
Flamin'
dipped
hot.
Frito things. Not Frito, but ranch dipped. I like not, or I don't like not knowing afterwards because I'm just like, was it right?
What was the French dipped one called again? What was it called?
Jacked, I think.
That could be it, but I think it's because there's like a really hot one.
Yeah, like the flaming hot or whatever.
Yeah. So to me,
It was
tasted
really
almost
hot.
like a flamin' hot Cheeto.
We should do Cheeto things.
I'd like eating Cheetos just on my spare time.
Yeah.
Also, Cheetos don't have that many flavors.
No, they only have like 4 or 5. Something like that.
4 or 5?
Yeah.
Oh wait, now I'm remembering them.
Mm-hmm. They come in the small bags.
Salsa con queso.
Oh my gosh, yes. I haven't seen those in so long though.
Yeah, those were so good if they still exist. Sorry.
Dustin, are you ready for us? Or I am ready for you? I don't know how this goes.
Just go,
The anticipation kills me. Oh gosh. Okay, give it a little. Wow, I can't tell. I think my sniffer's broken. Wow.
My sniffer's been broken.
Oh no. Dang it.
My nose.
I know what this one is.
I know what this one is.
And I'm really mad at myself.
Ready?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
White cheddar.
Which sucks because I've at least got 2 wrong now. Man.
Feed me, Father.
Yes.
Please. I hunger.
Sound like my cat.
Ooh. Because we're having tacos after this, right?
Mm-hmm.
I could put some Doritos in it, make it crunchy.
And spicy.
Is that what the prize is? Is getting our choice of a bag of Doritos?
Yes.
Even though you're the one that bought them. So technically you could choose any one you freaking want.
Mm-hmm. I need water.
Water?
Are you judging me right now, Dustin?
I'm pretty sure he's been judging you every day for the past, 3 years.
4.
4.
Almost. Like,
Well, I mean-
3 of marriage. So, that's when he saw all the habits. But
That's what I meant,
Oh,
that
yeah,
you got
yeah.
to see all of you.
he's like, whoa.
This is the last one.
Number 6. Wait, I don't remember saying 5 different ones.
Look
Oops.
forward. Open your mouths.
Oh, okay. I don't know if I like this.
Ready? Your mouth's not open, Haley. Ready? Oh, wider. Two. And
Oh,
This is awful.
this is terrible. Oh, God. This is worse. Oh.
This tastes awful. Okay, hold on.
Just gets worse. Ugh.
Ugh. Ugh.
I have a cut on my mouth too.
It won't go away.
I hate that. I hate it so much.
Why'd you do this, Dustin?
1, 2, 3. Spicy nacho.
The jacked thing.
Okay. Can we take off our blindfold now?
no, one more. You got 6, Chelsea. Miscounted as well.
Ow.
This literally, the water's not taking away the taste.
Mm-mm.
There you go. This is the final last one.
Okay, this is the last.
Yeah. Miscounted.
Mm. Mm. Much better. I think I know what that one is.
Mm-hmm. Same.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Spicy
Ranch
nacho.
Okay, that's all of them.
Okay, blindfolds.
Yep.
My eyes are literally watering from
Yeah.
that bad one.
Holy crap, that one was so
That was literally like the
ridiculously
worst thing
strong.
I've ever had in my life.
Okay. Let's go over the list. For the first one, you guys both got it right.
Of course,
Sweet, spicy chili.
Spicy chili. Second one, you both got right as well. It was the ranch.
Cool Ranch?
Yes.
Okay.
Third one, you both got wrong.
Ooh.
Chelsea, you thought it was cheddar.
I did.
Haley, you thought it was something else. I'm not for sure what you thought. Oh, wait. You thought it was taco, which I guess you're halfway right. Because it was nacho chip. The regular one. The original.
No,
It's not original.
That's spicy.
That's spicy.
Yeah, spicy nacho. That's always
Huh.
the way.
Not
Maybe
the
it's not always been
nacho
spicy.
cheese.
Maybe it's not always been spicy. But it's the spicy version of nacho cheese, and you thought it was cheddar, Chelsea.
Okay.
Okay.
The next one, Haley got right, but Chelsea got wrong.
This.
It was the flamin'. You thought it was jacked.
It literally tasted like a flaming hot Cheeto. Come on, girl.
The one after that, you did get right, though. Both of you. It was the cheddar. Despite Chelsea's attempts at miscommunication. The sixth one wasn't a Dorito.
That was the ghost pepper one.
No.
Dustin.
That was bad.
That was terrible. Okay, so we're not docked for that one. 'Cause it
Okay,
wasn't even one of
I
our
don't think they can't see what he did to us. So
Oh, they
hand that
know.
to me.
Oh, they know.
Oh, that you put it in front
Oh,
of
they
him?
know.
Ugh,
And the last one was the jacked. Haley got that wrong, and
I got it right. Okay.
So what's the total?
yes, it's a toy.
So we each get to pick our own bag of chips to take home.
Is it gonna be hot sauce chip?
God, no. That was awful. That tasted so bad.
Which one do you want? Because I liked all of them. Besides, the ones Satan put in front of us.
I want the sex chips.
Okay, all yours, man. And this was like, this was delicious. So grab yours if you can.
Help!
Hey, Dustin, you can help.
Smell that. What I use.
Ugh.
It even smells bad, guys.
It's spicy.
Okay.
So, level 6 being like the favorite, level 1 being the worst.
That's not how you got it.
No, that's how I have
My
it.
number 1 is sex chips, obviously.
Mine's surprisingly this.
Which one was that?
This is the ranch one, the last one we had.
Yeah.
And then this is my second one.
My second one is this bad boy. Spicy nacho. Number 3.
Spicy nacho.
Mine's kind of a tie. My number 3 is a tie between these bad boys. My Cool Ranch and my Flamin' Hot. So Flamin' Hot's actually really good. Tastes like Flamin' Hot Cheetos.
Yeah, this
Just
is my
flat.
number 4, which is surprising because these are like usually my favorite ones.
And then the cheddar's like, does that basically take up third and fourth tie?
Yeah,
and
and
then
then white cheddar's last for me.
white cheddar was just E, and then the other one was just
Eh.
eh. And then the sauce was death.
That's like, so like all
That
the
was the
chips are
negative?
here. Though the sauce is like right here.
That was in the negatives.
We're
if I
not
could
gonna
rank them
put
out of
that
10.
in our sauce challenge at all. So, you know, that was terrible.
That was awful, but
But you know, thanks Dustin for being Satan. It's always got to be someone. But thank you, Dustin, for your help and cooperation and
cooperation? That's what you call cooperation?
your help making sure we ate the chips, even though you poisoned us.
We might die.
So we're gonna go drink some milk, cry a little bit, maybe take a little nap, and get this video to you guys ASAP. But until next time, goodbye.
Pay the ransom.
Oh no, where's mine?